If you have high cholesterol and you are taking a cholesterol-lowering supplement made by Kobayashi Pharmaceuticals, a Japanese supplement company, that company is recommending that you stop taking their supplements immediately. So far, at least 4 fatalities and over 100 hospitalizations have been attributed to the use of Kobayashi cholesterol supplements. Those supplements contain an ingredient called Beni Koji, which in other countries is better known as red yeast rice. Kobayashi has stated that the supplements that are affected were manufactured after September 2023, which potentially means millions of their supplements could be affected. So check the expiration date if you're using this supplement. Now, many of the affected individuals have been hospitalized due to kidney damage. Now, I bring this up because red yeast rice has been known in some reports to trigger in some individuals a condition called rhabdomyolysis, and one of the symptoms of rhabdomyolysis is kidney damage. However, so far the cause of the kidney damage has not been attributed to rhabdomyolysis. Now, Kobayashi has stated that the Beni Koji red yeast rice ingredient at the heart of this controversy appears to have been outsourced to another company. Both companies are investigating this right now. However, so far the actual reason for the hospitalization and fatalities is unknown. And one more thing, as tragic as this incident is, the Kobayashi Pharmaceutical Company did something unexpected as far as companies are concerned, and that is they actually apologized and released an online statement stating that their customers should please stop using our products and please don't use them in the future. That is rare for a company to do, and I wish I would see apologies more from companies when recalls like this occur.